What's that? Okay, so we're starting chapter 6. For those that are online, yes, we skipped chapter 5. We're doing 5 after Thanksgiving break. So 6-1, angles of polygons. Polygon interior angle sum is the sum of the interior angles of a convex polygon is n minus 2 times 180. Probably the easiest equation we've seen so far, honestly.
I can't, it's barely hard for me to see.
Here, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Is it the color maybe, or no?
Color as well.
Is the color? Is green better, or no? I don't know. I guess we'll see. You prefer black or blue? Okay, so that's the equation. N stands for is number of sides. So how do we use this? The key here is to pay attention to what it's asking in the question. If it's asking for the sum of the interior angles, then what you're going to do is use this equation, n minus 2 times 180. N is the number of sides. It's also the number of angles. The number of sides and angles will be the same. So we're counting the number of sides 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to plug in 5 for n and solve it. Use order of operations. 5 minus 2 is 3. So then you'll do 3 times 180, and the answer is 540 degrees. So the sum of all these angles, so angle, let's call this angle A, B, C, D, and E, is 540 degrees. Simple so far, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now we're going to move on to exterior angle sum. The sum of the exterior angles There's no equation here. The sum of the exterior angles of a convex polygon is 360 degrees. It doesn't matter how many sides it has. The exterior angles will always add to 360 degrees. What is an exterior angle? So I'm going to jump down here and fill in this definition here, and then I'll show you what it is. It's an angle formed by one side of a polygon and the extension of another side. An angle formed by one side of a polygon and the extension of another side. What does that look like? On this polygon here, what I'm going to do is extend out each side. So I'm just like extending it out like this, and I'm going in the same direction all the way around. And then here are your exterior angles. So these are the angles that add up to 360. So if you added angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 plus angle 6, you would get 360 degrees. And again, that's just the exterior angles. That's why I was saying you have to be careful with what the question's asking, because it's either going to ask you about interior or exterior. That's it. So now we're going to transition over to the workbook to practice problems about this.